Are you ready to master the Semaphore AI model builder? This video guides you through its features and functionalities. Discover how it transforms unstructured data into valuable insights. The model builder acts like a domain-aware assistant. It understands context and nuances in data. By leveraging this tool, you gain deeper insights into complex data sets. It simplifies the process of data analysis. Experience enhanced decision-making with its intelligent support. In this video, we will examine the Suggest Alternative Labels feature, Suggest Narrower Concepts feature, and the Advanced Suggestions. Here we're looking at the Semaphore AI Model Builder interface, and an initial setup is configured. To use the AI Model Builder module in Semaphore, you will need an API key, a stable Azure OpenAI endpoint, and a unique Azure deployment name. Semaphore will generate a URL for your convenience. We have set up these initial settings in this demo. Let's start with the Suggest Alternative Labels. Our Semaphore instance has been preloaded with the Space Missions model. Select the tree view and select the Manned Space Mission and select the International Space Station. Select the Alternative Labels button. Next, the AI feature called Suggest Alternative Labels panel opens. Select Get Suggestions to view the results. The Suggestions menu appears and it will have suggestions for alternative labels. The first entry is the English version and it is called Alpha Station. Select the toggle switch to select Alpha Station. Notice that a Japanese and Korean label is also shown. There is also a Russian name in English nomenclature called Zarya. Afterwards, select the Create Selected button. Select the Close button to close the confirmation message. Let's examine the alternative label called Alpha Station. You will see it has populated under the alternative label column. Let's move on to the narrower concepts. We will do a similar workflow like the Suggest Alternate Labels. Select the Suggest Narrower Labels button to get a list of suggested concepts. Select the Get Suggestions button to view the results. In this page, you will see the various suggestions that the AI Model Builder has generated. Pick the item that best suggests a subset of the International Space Station. We are selecting Expedition 68. Select the toggle switch on the right side of Expedition 68. Select Create Selected button to advance to the next screen. The narrower concept creation message appears. Select the Close button to view the results. You will see that narrower concept Expedition 68 has been created. Notice that there are other narrower concepts that are listed from prior AI suggestions. Semaphore has an advanced AI feature to create narrower concepts and add more context to it. In our example, let's select the International Space Station. The Suggest Narrower Concepts panel appears. Select the Advanced tab and select Get Suggestions. Keep the default boxes checked. Select Get Suggestions to view the results. Semaphore presents several suggestions for narrower concepts. In our example, we will select the Alpha Space Station program. The Advanced suggestion added Space Program to give more context and narrow this concept further. Select the green Create Selected button to advance to the next screen. You will see that the narrower concepts created message appears. Select the Close button. Let's inspect the broader concept that was added, which is the Alpha Space Station program. Check that the broader concept matches the original concept used, which in this case is the International Space Station. We can also use the visualizer feature to validate this relationship. Under the International Space Station program, select Alpha Space Station program. Select the visualizer. The visual representation of Alpha Space Station program has a broader concept to International Space Station and is shown on the screen. Through this training, you've learned more about the 3 functional features of Semaphore AI Model Builder. These are the Suggest Alternative Label feature, the Suggest Narrower Concepts feature, and the Advanced Suggestions. Thank you for watching this presentation. For additional resources, check the description below.